Hello, welcome to another video. Here our topic is about bipolar disorder and how they develop predictive classification of it by using diffusion weight imaging and support vector machines. And so the authors are from University of Texas, and I think we can only see the abstract of it. Support vector machines and DTI scans are used to predict individual bipolar disorder patients, so pediatric bipolar disorder patients. So support vector machines predict bipolar disorder patients with above chance level sensitivity and specificity. Patterns of reduced fractional anisotropy were most relevant in distinguishing them from healthy controls. So there are healthy controls and bipolar disorder patients, and they apply this method, support vector machines, and they finally found that this variable is the most relevant in distinguishing, and they use support vector machine algorithm with specificity of 85% and sensitivity seems not very high. There are definition of those, but I think accuracy is the most important maybe, and it's not very high, I think, accuracy. Previous studies have reported anomalies of white matter diffusivity in pediatric bipolar disorder. However, it hasn't been established whether these abnormalities are able to distinguish individual subjects with PBD from healthy controls with a high specificity and sensitivity. So they used diffusion weighted imaging, and they scanned bipolar disorder patients, and 16 demographically matched healthy controls. As I know, support vector machine is quite useful for small sample size studies, and in here the sample size is really quite small. Like in total there are 32 patients. Regional white matter tissue microstructural measurements such as fractional anisotropy, axial diffusivity, and radial diffusivity were computed using atlas-based approach. These measurements were used to train a support vector machine algorithm to predict new or unseen objects diagnostic labels. So this is the definition of CVM. The algorithm predicts individual subjects with this specificity, we mentioned it, and under receiver operating characteristic curve, a pattern of reduced regional white matter fractional anisotropy was observed in pediatric bipolar disorder patients. These results suggest that atlas-based diffusion-weighted imaging measurements can distinguish individual pediatric bipolar disorder patients from healthy controls. Notably, from a clinical perspective, these findings will contribute to the pathophysiological understanding of pediatric bipolar disorder. So, because if they add some other variables and increases accuracy to like 90%, it probably can predict pediatric bipolar disorder better than psychiatrists. At least they will have higher, the machine will have higher inner consistency since it's a machine. And so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this article and the way that I present it, and I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.